Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent auto, or a car or auto in English. This is the way we say auto. Auto. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Auto. 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 There are also Dutch people who will say auto. 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 So, auto or auto. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!